So, hello, I'm Nicholas, and I made a floating boat. There's sponges at the bottom taped onto it, and as all you can see, it is in the sink with water, and we will see how much if it can withstand a few objects. First object, a nail. A nail. Let's put that in and see if it floats. It floats. Next, a starboard. Let's put it in and see if it floats. It floats. Another starboard. Let's put it in and see if it floats. It floats. Final starboard. Let's see if it floats. It floats. It can withstand a lot of things. Now, I did this at Science. This is the same exact boat I made with two partners. And the contest was to see who could hold the most grams. Our boat held 200 grams.
Everybody else's boat holds.
One else hold 202. Then the rest 150, 100 or 50, and some of them 0.
What did their boats look like?
Like there was one of them, like Gianna's group, like there were sticks hanging up here and sticks there.
Who was in your group?
Victoria and Jaden.
Alright, that's all the water. Get out of the sink. You done with it?
Okay, wait. So this is the boat that I made.